Guys, you look here, the green diamond of Pakistan. This is a well-known place of Pakistan. It is not a Switzerland. It is not a Canada. It is not England. It is the Switzerland of Pakistan, which is known as Swat. You look here, the green environment, the safe environment, the clean environment. I think you realize it, but I internally realize the benefit of this environment, and I will want to show the features which is not at the time of eating. You can look here. This is known as peach. You look here, the green diamond of Pakistan, the green resources of Pakistan. It is known as the green gold. Whenever the time goes, the human take the stress and anxiety. But if you look the inside times when the people cultivate farming and doing his own food and eating in his own food, there is no questions about the stress and anxiety. And it is the beauty of the nature. You can see here. The only purpose of this video when I make it is to love with the green trees. Do not cut the trees. Plant the trees and do not cut the land. Do not observe the land from the green gold.